Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. Welcome back. What's up? Today I'm here with Ossilee Human Hair. Alright, it says focus on hair, focus on life. Okay. Alright, so this is the packaging. It's the same as before. And we're gonna get into it. Ooh. I got the wig, which we're gonna get into. I got this branded Ossilee elastic headband, an edge brush and comb. I got a pair of lashes. I got like this little band here. These are cute Christmas themed clips. And a pair of wig caps. This is a gorgeous 613 loose deep wave wig. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Look at those waves, so pretty. It's not every day that you find a 613 deep wave, like a really nice looking one. This feels really good. It feels very full. I believe the density on this is 250, and I can see the weight. I can feel the weight. It is also 26 inches long. All right, I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box if you guys are wondering. By the way, you guys know that's where you can always find the wigs that I show you in the videos. So yeah, this is a full-on 13x4. It's a full 13x4, so it's ear to ear with the 13x4 spacing. Has a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap. It's a beautiful HD lace front. It is already pre-plucked in the front. It's so gorgeous. I absolutely love that. It's stunning. These waves feel super nice and tight, so I love that. There's also an adjustable strap inside of the cap, so you can make it tighter or looser to your liking. But that's how the wig that we're working with is looking today. It feels so good. I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into installing this right now. I'm gonna be using my lace bond spray to go ahead and install this. So let's go. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else. Just gonna cut away. Fast forwarded and cut away all the excess lace. I'm gonna do the norm. I want to do a center part with this. Actually, should I? Yeah, should I, or should I do a side part? But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna go over the top once I'm done with parting it, and I'm gonna get my crimper to kind of make everything a little bit more uniform and refreshed. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm getting minimal shedding, just so you guys know. Minimal shedding is definitely there. You guys know this went through, it's processed. So it's a full 13x4, as I said, so you could style it as you like. You could do braids, You could do different parties within the area, you know. See that? Looks pretty good.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me.
Exactly how I want it to lay. That's gorgeous. I'm feeling myself. So all I'm gonna do is kind of just touch up some parts of it with my crimper to just get the waves looking a little bit more like even in the front here, to redefine things and make it look really nice. So I'm gonna speed through that.
Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's true, indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright, so this is how the wig is looking once I refresh it with my crimper. It looks really good. It's just literally me maintaining the waves that it came with. So the only thing you notice, this isn't toned, you know. So if you know you want to go ahead and do anything further, you could definitely go in and tone it to your liking, but nothing is done to it as of right now. This is exactly how it comes in the packaging, and I just wanted to show you guys how it looks straight out of the packaging. But you could definitely go in and tone it to how you want it to be. There is no baby hairs. This is the look. I feel like, I mean, the texture, the natural texture of it is a loose deep wave, so it is gonna hold these creams really nicely. It's very nice and full, as I mentioned before, and it's a vibe. It is giving special occasion. I always like to wear like a nice blonde look at certain points, like mostly when I have like special occasions. So this is definitely giving that vibe. It is so pretty, like it is gorgeous. Ossilee hair, you did that. Okay, so guys, remember I mentioned initially all the specifications, so I want you guys to go ahead and check out my description box to double check that if you must. If there's any deal, any discount code, that will be listed as well. The direct link will be listed. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you.